Replacing doors in your home is a great way to enhance both its curb appeal and energy efficiency. Whether you're updating your front entryway, replacing interior doors, or installing patio doors, it's important to get the details right. Many Houston homeowners make mistakes during the door replacement process that can lead to higher costs, frustration, and less than ideal results. To help you make informed decisions, here are the common door replacement mistakes to avoid. Neglecting proper measurement. One of the most common and costly mistakes homeowners make is not measuring their existing door frame correctly. Whether you're replacing an exterior or interior door, precise measurements are essential for a proper fit. If the door is too large or too small for the frame, it may require additional adjustments, such as resizing the frame, which could add unexpected costs. Before purchasing your new door, carefully measure the width, height, and depth of the door frame. Always take 3 measurements: one at the top, middle, and bottom for width, and one on the left, middle, and right for height. This ensures that your new door will fit perfectly. Choosing the wrong door material. Another mistake homeowners often make is choosing the wrong door material for their needs. In Houston's hot and humid climate, the door material you choose can significantly affect your home's energy efficiency and maintenance needs. For example, wood doors look beautiful but may warp or rot over time in high humidity, while steel doors may offer excellent security but can be prone to rust in areas with high moisture. Fiberglass doors are an ideal choice for Houston homes as they offer durability, energy efficiency, and resistance to humidity and temperature fluctuations. Consider your climate and lifestyle when selecting the right door material for your home. Overlooking insulation and energy efficiency. In Houston, where the temperatures can soar during the summer months, energy efficiency should be a top priority when replacing exterior doors. Many homeowners overlook the importance of insulation in their doors, opting for aesthetic appeal over practicality. An insulated door helps maintain a comfortable indoor temperature, reduces energy consumption, and lowers utility bills. Look for doors with high-quality insulation, such as foam cores, and check the energy efficiency ratings. Many modern doors come with weather stripping and double glazing options, which add additional insulation to keep your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Not considering security features. Your front door is one of the most important security features of your home. When replacing it, homeowners often focus too much on aesthetics and forget about safety. A beautiful door is of little value if it doesn't provide the necessary security. When selecting an entry door, opt for models that are equipped with strong locking mechanisms, reinforced frames, and durable materials like steel or solid wood. Additionally, consider adding a peephole or a security camera system to ensure you can see who's at the door before opening it. Forgetting about professional installation. While DIY projects can be rewarding, installing a door requires specialized knowledge and skills to ensure it's done right. Some homeowners try to replace doors themselves, thinking they can save money, but a poorly installed door can lead to long-term issues like drafts, water leakage, or even difficulty closing the door properly. To avoid these problems, it's best to hire a professional contractor who specializes in door installation. Professionals ensure that the door is installed properly, seals are intact, and the door operates smoothly. They also have the expertise to address any potential issues, such as structural problems or misalignments in the door frame. Skipping the finishing touches after the door is installed, some homeowners forget the importance of finishing touches, such as painting or sealing the door. Unfinished doors are exposed to the elements, which can lead to wear and tear over time. Ensure that your new door is properly sealed to protect it from moisture, dirt, and UV rays. If it's a wooden door, applying a good quality finish will prevent it from cracking, warping, or fading. For steel or fiberglass doors, a proper coat of paint will keep them looking new and protect them from corrosion. Ignoring curb appeal. Finally, many homeowners overlook the impact a door has on their home's curb appeal. The front door is one of the first things people notice when they visit your home, and it can make a significant statement about your style. When replacing your door, take the time to consider how it complements the rest of your home's exterior. Choose a door that enhances the overall design of your home, whether it's traditional, modern, or something in between. Don't be afraid to experiment with color or features like glass inserts, side lights, or decorative hardware. Conclusion: replacing a door in your home can be a rewarding project when done right, but avoiding these common mistakes is essential to achieving a successful outcome. From proper measurements and material choices to professional installation and attention to security and energy efficiency, taking the time to do it right will ensure that your new door not only enhances your home's beauty but also improves its functionality for years to come.